Swedish cows produce more milk than cows anywhere else in Europe. Last year, almost 3 million tons of milk were produced on Sweden's 5,300 dairy farms.
My work as a dairy farmer is something which I'm very proud of. I'm working with a unique product which everyone needs, and I'm satisfied to know that every day when I milk my cows I make food for about 5,000 people.
But the costs for feed, salaries, barns and machinery are high, so the profit margins are low. So what's the best way to manage a high input, high output system?
Every cow needs to produce a lot in our system. And thanks that we have this high production, we try to challenge the cost side. And we also work with much technique to try to save labor, robotic milking, automatic feeding and so on. So that's how we have the profit to come.
I think what we're really good at here is produce very high quality grass, and that's the base of the high production. And we have very long winters in Sweden, so we need very much of high quality silage.
The 2013 EDF Congress will be held in Falkenberg, which is in Holland, one of Sweden's main dairy regions, and knowledge sharing is of great importance.
What we're normally good at in most part of Sweden is to produce much milk and high yields. In this province area, the average is almost 10,000 liters per cow a year. But on the other hand, we're not been good enough to control costs. But I see we can get much ideas from EDF too, and from Europe to more efficiency, more milk per hour of hired labor.
Every dairy pharmacy in Europe are in the same situation. We are colleagues and we face the same challenges. And today it's a world market price, even in Sweden. So the development outside Europe is very important for us.
20 years ago, the Swedish dairy market was tightly regulated. But now, the market is unregulated, and Swedish dairy farmers have been forced to adapt to global market prices, like most farmers in the rest of Europe.
The opinion in Sweden is that we should take very good care of our animals. The consumers demand it. And I think we have a good tradition in Sweden to take good care of the cows. I don't see it's a problem for us. It's a healthy cow produce well.
So we hope to see you in 2013, where we'll talk more about how to manage a high input and high output system.